Well, my name is Tere so you can call me Tere. And I am the operations manager of Open House. Here at Open House, we advocate one of our advocacies is social empowerment and also economic opportunity. So that's why most of the products that you can find here inside our shop are like startups or they're actually helping out a community. We have been doing the pop-ups here at Great Northwest since last year, 2018. And then right now, so just last April, we had our launching here at our shop. So as you can see, yeah, you get to have a tour around the shop. So you can see a lot of different products. So yeah, that's what we do here at Open House. Well, how do we incorporate sustainable tourism? Since we have been doing the pop-ups last year, we're able to observe that La Union has an increasing influx of people or tourists. We realized that it could also generate income, especially for the locals in here. So we're actually creating partnerships with Barangay Abot, and they are actually producing engineered bamboo products. So yeah, these are some of the samples that they have here at Open House. So we cater to these local brands and we give them a chance to have their items displayed, and then we sell it out for them. And at the same time, we're also employing local people, or right now we have local girls here who are working with us as part of the team. Tama lang na sila din yung makinabang kung ano man yung mga businesses na meron dito. So I've been living here for like 5 years now, and but I've been coming here to La Union since 2011 just for surfing. I saw how fast the development is, so I feel that it's my moral obligation to protect the beach and the sea also. So just yesterday, we actually had like a beach cleanup. Usually it's every Friday, so the local surfers here in San Juan, I think it's also a good thing because the locals are becoming more vigilant. Hopefully, little by little, more and more people are becoming aware about how we really keep yung cleanliness ng beach, because primarily, yung beach naman talaga or yung dagat talaga yung nagbibigay ng kabuhayan sa ating lahat. So, not only for the businesses in here, but also for the locals. I like the advocacy of sustainable tourism because I think that's should not be like an advocacy lang. I think it should be like a way of living, especially nowadays na travel has been very accessible. In a way, well, compared to the previous years, I think travel was considered like a luxury. Although it still is right now, but then again, it's more accessible to more people. And so I think it's one of the things that I look forward to the Aisela experience. So it's a more personalized experience. Like you don't travel just to look around, but it's also a good thing that you get to commune with the people living where you go or where you travel to. So I think that adds value to the experience.